How to cash out on Venmo. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can withdraw money from your Venmo. In order to withdraw from your Venmo, you'll need to log in into your account. After you're logged into your Venmo account, you need to click on Pay and Request, which is right at the bottom. As soon as you've done that, on the other interface, you need to enter in the amount that you wish to pay. And you also need to enter in the recipient details, that includes entering the Venmo ID or a phone number, email address, and click on private if you want to make it private. And you also need to add a little note why you're actually making this transaction. Once you're done, you'll need to click on the pay button, and on the other page you'll be able to see this kind of interface where you have two different options, that is instant and standard. So instant usually take a couple of minutes in order to make a transaction. However, it's going to charge certain amount as a fees, and if you want to go on with the standard, then it's going to take 1 to 3 business days in order to make the transaction complete, and it does not charge any certain amount. In this way, you can withdraw money from your Venmo. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.